evening. Welcome, welcome. Good evening. Okay, I think it's recording. Then I will share my screen. Ready? Can you see this okay? Is it clear? Can you see this? Okay, very good. If anyone has any questions, just put Q like this, and then I know you have a question, and then you can take the mic. Okay? Okay, Tamam. Okay, ready. Let's go. So what I will do, so this is what we call role play. And this is very popular in schools in the UK. When we were learning French in school, and they used to give us French names. So I think my name was Andre, and they gave another guy, my friend was called Pierre, one guy was called Jean-Pierre. So they gave us names, and we used to do role play. Role play means you perform a scenario. So you act like you are actors in a scenario, in a real life scenario. Everything clear? Is making sense? Making sense, inshallah? Yeah. So this is a scenario because you wanted to do a scenario for booking a computer training course. So I wrote a very basic script for you. Actually, there's a little bit of humor. There's a little bit of a joke in here, but inshallah, when you become a bit more proficient or a bit more comfortable with this, then you will see the funny side. You will see the funny side when you become more comfortable. Okay, so let me read this to you once, and then what I will do, I will ask for volunteers. So I will ask for somebody to be student and another person to be the trainer. Yeah? Agreed? Well, inshallah is clear for everyone? Makes sense? Yeah? أحد عنده سؤال clear? Okay. Deal. Okay, very good. So everybody else, it's clear for everybody else? Okay, yalla, let's go. So lesson number 2, Saturday, 12th of March, 2022. So this is, the scenario is booking a computer training course in person. In person means you go there, so you go there, you meet them, and you say, I would like a training course. If this was over the phone, I would say here, over the phone, or over the internet. But here, this is in person, meaning you go to the training center, you speak to them, you meet them, and you agree everything with them there, in person, by yourself, in person. Okay, ready. So student says, hi, IT angels. Okay. Trainer says, hello, how can we help you today, Anise? So this is where you put your name. Okay. Or you put the name of the person you will speak to. Okay. Okay. Student says, do you run any courses on computer basics? So here the word run, this is a common word in English. So you have run a course, you have run a campaign, you have run a, you can say an event. So it means ijra. It's like saying ijra or tanfeed. It's like this, running something or applying something. You can say run a program. You see? And you can also say running the marathon. So run a course, it's like saying you provide تقوم بخدمة أو تعرض course. It's like you give the course, you teach, تدرب, تعلم الcourse, run a course. run a campaign. Campaign meaning like عرض خاص or تخفيضات campaign. تخفيضات مبيعات, like a sales campaign. So you run the campaign for maybe 2 weeks, 2 weeks campaign. See, run an event like احتفال, or you could say marasim, like an event. You run an event. Program برمجة, it's to do with programming. You run the program. Okay, you apply, you activate the program. تفعيل البرنامج, just like this. Run a program. Running the marathon is a very, 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 very long race. 26 kilometers. This is a marathon. Usually 26 kilometers, very long. See, marathon, okay. Marathon. Very good. So this is run, yes. Actually, this name is from Greek. A Greek word. Anyway, we'll do this another time, inshallah. So run any courses on computer basics. Computer basics means basics, asasiyat. So if I say computer basics, it's asasiyat, الحاسبة, or you can say it's like this, you know. Or if I say English basics, it's أساسيات إنجليزية. اللغة الإنجليزية. You see, basics. Okay, clear, inshallah? Okay. So trainer says we have a course called IT for Everyone. IT for Everyone. Actually, if you are in, I think, America and the UK, there is a book called IT for Dummies. IT for Dummies, yeah, base, yes, Asas base, and Asasiyat is basics. IT for Dummies. There are many books. Some of them are called IT for Dummies. Some are called maybe something like computers for dummies. Dummies. It's like saying Muqtadeen. Yeah, these ones, yes. Or it's like Excel for dummies. Because يعني you shouldn't لا تستحيوا في كسب العلم. You shouldn't be shy. Yeah, very, very good actually. They are yellow books, very, very good ones. So it's like computer basics, computer for dummies. It's the same idea. Computer basics, okay? So then the trainer says, yes, so we have a course called IT for Everyone, in which we teach. All these words okay for you? In which we teach. نعلم, we teach. In which, فيها, or التي نعلم فيها, in, فيها, here. The very basics, الأساسيات, is very basics. It's like saying مجرد أساسيات, جدا أساسيات, like nothing more. The very basics. Okay? And then we have this. This is like saying how to turn on a computer. This is like هذا ممكن يكون موضوع, like one topic, how to turn on a computer. See? To how to search the internet. Inshallah, simple. So very, very basic, very, very easy topics. Believe me, in the UK, many people from the Indian, Pakistani communities, they don't know English, they don't know technology, they have issues, they have problems. We say they struggle. When you say they struggle, it means like yu'anun. It's like they struggle, you know, they face difficulties when they use technology. So many people from Indian Pakistani community, they go and they have these courses, the basic courses. Okay. Student, how often? You can say how often, or you can say how often. Both are okay. Often. Are your classes? Often means how many times? Frequency. Often is like the frequency. How many times? Okay. How often are your classes? You see here, class means dars. It means actual the class, the session. Okay. Clear, inshallah? So far, so good? So far, so good, inshallah? Okay, very good. And then then the trainer says twice a week. Twice a week. Often, yes, often the educated people, they say often. Educators say often. If you say often, it's okay, but the better way is often. Yes, 2 times per week, exactly, twice. So if I say once, how many times is once? Yes, 2 times per week. How many times is once? Yes, and twice. Twice. Yes. And did you hear this one before? Thrice. This is Old English. This means 3 times. This is Old English. Yes, 3 times. Once, twice, thrice. You will find thrice maybe in poetry, in old books. Thrice. Yeah, you can. Yeah, they use this. They have some sayings. They have some little bit weird, but they say this if once, twice, thrice. You will say it like this, like together with once and twice. You won't say thrice by itself. You might say maybe you will say once, twice, thrice, like in a rhyme, in like a poem, in this way. So how often are your classes? Trainer twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday evenings at 8 p.m. PM, everyone understand PM? What does PM mean? بعد الظهر, yes. Actually, it's بعد الظهر, correct. Actually, it's this post-meridian. Post-meridian means بعد الزوال. Oh, no, not زوال. Actually, زوال is بعد أن تميل الشمس. This is meridian means لما تكون الشمس, when the sun is at the highest point. Highest point. The highest in the sky. This is meridian, in the middle. This is meridian. So PM is post meridian. And AM, yeah, exactly, Zawal. Okay. And AM, anyone know AM? Yes, it's like morning, but the English word AM, PM without shadow. It's anti-meridian. Anti-meridian. Anti, it's like, it means like before. I didn't see anti. You have something called anti-chamber. I think this is, a medical term, I think. Or not anti, I think ante. So it's not used a lot. I saw antipasta. This is like your, I think your starter, Latinia, Latinia. Antipasta means before pasta means like your starter. I think means uh, like starter in some restaurants, in some where they have the menu is Italian, Italian or Latin linked. There is a link between them. Okay, so this is PM, post meridian, meaning in the evening. Okay, student says, are the lessons live? Are the lessons live? Yani mubashir. Trainer says yes, so you will need a good internet connection. Okay, a student says, that's okay. I can go to my local internet cafe. Trainer, if you like, you can use our on-site library. You can use, if you like, any تود ترغب لو تريد, you can use يمكنكم استخدام, you can use our on-site library. On-site meaning in our building. On-site. On-site in our building. Okay, clear inshallah? Which gives free Wi-Fi to all its visitors. Okay. Student, how much will it cost? كم ستكون التكلفة? How much will it cost? Okay. Trainer, oh, the Wi-Fi is free. Oh, sorry, you mean the course? Oh, it's also free for students. Then the student says, yes, please go ahead with the Baqir. The student says, great, I'll see you on Thursday then. Trainer says, sure, bye-bye. Why use will? Yes. Here, I'll. This one here. Or this one, you will need. Will means تأكيد, that you, for sure. أكيد تحتاج, it's like this. So you will need. If you say shall, it's a little bit softer. There is a rule for will and shall before cost. Before cost. How much? This is the normal way. How much will it cost? It's like ta'keed. Will. Okay, the word it's this. Will cost. ستكون التكلفة. Will cost. It's the future for. It's like future for. كان يكون. سيكون وستكون will. It's like it usually comes. أي نعم كم سيكلفني. Will be. This is the full sentence. How much will the cost be? كم سيكلفني. How much will the cost be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. صيغة المستقبل. So this makes it future مستقبل. Will. If you say how much is the cost, this is حال. هذا المضارع يعني حال. How much is the cost? See? If I say how much will the cost be, this is mustaqbil, this is future. No, if you say how much, then you can say how much is its cost. كم سعره? How much is its cost? أو كم تكلفته? أو كم مصروفه? How much is its cost? This cost then is تكلفة اسم مضاف. Its cost يعني تكلفته. See? Its cost. This is مضاف مضاف إليه here. Cost. It's تكلفة who. You see? But if I say how much does it cost? كم التكلفة. This is the same actually. This is the same. It's like هذا مثل فعل متعدي والمفعول به محذوف. How much does it cost me? How much does it cost you? You see? So, but you don't say how much it cost. you have to add something. لازم تضيف شيء. You have to add something. How much? You can say. So let me give you some examples. How much is the cost? كم التكلفة? How much is the cost? Okay. How much will it cost? This is future مستقبل. كم سيكلفني? How much does it cost? كم يكلفني? This is like الحال. Now, the present. Okay. How much? These are the main ones. خلاص هذه ثلاثة رئيسية usually. Okay. You can have others. في أخرى يعني how much will the cost be? هذا ممكن بعيد شوي. كم سوف يكلفني? How much will the cost be? There are في يعني كذا أمثلة. لكن I suggest go with the short, easy one. How much is the cost? Or how much will it cost? Because he is gonna come next week or after 2 days. So he is saying how much will it cost? If you say how much is the cost, this is okay, but this means أنا أدفع الآن أنا أسدد الآن. This is what it means. How much is the cost? Or how much is it? You see? معناه أنا أدفع الآن. How much is it? يعني خذ البطاقة أو خذ الفلوس النقود. If you say how much, you should add something. How much is the cost? This is better. Don't say how much cost. You must add something. How much is the? Okay. How much is it? هذا عادي. Come on. This is also normal. How much is it? You can. There are others. What's the price? What's the cost? You see, there are many ways actually. But usually this one it comes with something. عادة يجي مع يعني sometimes what's the cost of a car? What's the cost? What's the cost of ignorance? You see? If you get the idea? This is like حكمة يعني هذا يجي مع أقوال أو وايد متعلقة بالحكمة. What's the cost of ignorance? What's the cost of forgetfulness? نسيان. You see? Like this. But you can't say what's the cost of the course. عرفتوا? You see? وصلت الفكرة إن شاء الله. What's the price? Okay, كم السعر? How much is it? نفس الشيء, same thing. How much is the cost? So if you want to say cost, better to say how much is the cost. Easy. This is the easy one. Or how much will it cost? هذا للمستقبل يعني the future. How much will it cost? إن شاء الله واضح إن شاء الله. So أنا سجلت كل هذه الجمل إن شاء الله. You can review them, check them, make some notes. But هذا كله سماعي. It's all based on being familiar, living there, listening to people. And by the way, everyone develops his own style actually. أما التكلفة. You can say how much. You can say how much is the cost. Like people who speak French, when they speak English, they speak a little bit differently. Even if the accent is good, there's a small difference. People who come from Pakistan, India, when they speak English, they speak slightly differently. Even if حتى إذا كانت اللهجة جيدة, but the sentence structure is slightly different. Some people who live with English, they will speak slightly different to some people who live in different communities. There is a small difference. Somebody who lives in Bradford, where you have many Pakistanis, he will speak a little bit different. They have different sentence structure. So they might say, it bees good, bro. It bees good, bro. It means يعني هو جيد. This bees is the incorrect. You should say it is good, good brother. You see, this is correct. But they might say it bees good, bro. You see, so bees. This is something other. This is evolved in the language. Bees. تطور يعني هذا اللفظ ما كان موجود أول. It didn't exist, but it evolved from Urdu, actually, from Urdu, because I have another similar word in Urdu. It's like yakun. So from yakun they made bees. Instead of saying will be, they made bees like this. You see, got the idea. So will it cost is good. How much is the cost is also good. There, inshallah. You see. Okay, trainer says, oh, the Wi-Fi is free. Oh, sorry, you mean the course? Yeah, oh, it's also free for students. And the student says, great, I'll see you on Thursday then. Trainer, sure, bye-bye. Okay, ready? Anyone want to come on the mic and volunteer? Inshallah, Ustaz Baqir, guys, inshallah. Okay, and somebody else, Brother Baqir can be the trainer, and somebody else for the students. Dr. Itisam, welcome. The mic is yours, inshallah. Mic, how do I open the mic? So Dr. Ibtisam is a student and Sheikh Baqir is a trainer, inshallah.
Yes.
No sound? How do I mute? Sheikh Baqir is there. No sound, I think.
Yes, sir, Samad. You must say hi.
Hello, testing.
Yes.
You can hear? Can you hear Sheikh Baqir?
I can't hear him. He say anything?
No, I cannot hear you actually.
He must say hi.
How come? Testing, testing. Can you hear me still? Because I cannot hear anybody. Can somebody try the microphone?
Assalamu alaikum.
On the
Alaykum assalam.
تسمعوني? Could you hear me?
نعم نعم.
Okay.
What's the problem, Mr. Anis?
Yes, he can't hear us.
testing, testing. You can hear me, but I couldn't hear you. I don't know why. Very strange. Everything is fine. Can we try one more time? Can you come on the mic one more time?
Assalamu alaikum. Hi.
Yeah, I'm using the computer.
عليكم
Maybe I should
السلام.
try the phone. Let me join with the phone. 1 second.
هل أحد يسمعني؟
نعم نسمعك.
تفضلي أخت ابتسام.
فقط حتى ننتظر أن الأستاذ أنيس يسمعنا. لأنه لا يسمع.
أنت تسمعين؟
نعم أسمعك.
خلينا نبدأ المحادثة.
حتى لو لم يكن موجود؟
العفو، الأستاذ أنيس لا يسمعنا؟
لا يسمع.
Hello, Mr. Anis.
It seems he are hearing. Could you hear us, Teacher Anis? Okay.
Yes.
No, I'm the student.
Yes.
I'm the student or the trainer?
Yes. Okay. Start.
Hi, IT Angels.
Hello. How can we help you today?
Do you run any courses on computer basics?
We have a course called IT for Everyone, in which we teach the very basic from how to turn on a computer to how to search the internet.
How often are your classes?
Twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday evening at 8 p.m.
Are the lessons live?
Yes. So you will need a good internet connection.
That's okay. I can't go to my local internet cafe.
If you like, you can use our on-site library, which give free Wi-Fi to all visitors.
How much will it cost?
Oh, the Wi-Fi is free. Oh, sorry, you mean the course. Oh, it's also free for students.
Great. I'll see you on Thursday then.
Sure. Bye-bye.
That's it.
MashaAllah, very well done. Excellent. Just one or two things to bear in mind. Yes, can you hear me? Faisal?
Yes, the course. The course is free. The internet is free.
Everything is free. Everything is free. Everything is free. When we say, mashallah, very well done. When we say basics, just remember the very basics is asasiyat. When we teach the very basics, this is something to, the basics. Basics. Yes. Otherwise, mashallah, everything was fine. Mashallah, ahsantum. Very well done.
Thank you.
Very well done. Anyone else? حد يريد يكمل? Anyone else? ما شاء الله أبو حسن تفضل على المايك.
يا الله السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله. تفضل.
Yeah. Which part I will take? Student or learner?
I will just share my screen. Okay. You can be student.
Okay.
And anyone else?
Shall I repeat with him?
Yeah, please. Welcome, please. Okay, Allah, Bismillah. So, Dr. Ibtisam, can you be trainer? And Abu Hassan will be student, inshallah.
Students. Let's start.
Yes, Bismillah.
Bismillah. Hi, IT Angels.
Hello. How can we help you today?
Do you run any courses on computer basics?
We have a course called IT for Everyone, in which we teach the very basics from how to turn on a computer to how to search on internet.
How often are your classes?
Twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday evening at 8 p.m.
Are the lessons live?
Yes, so you will need a good internet connection.
That's okay. I can go to my local internet cafe.
If you like, you can use our on-site library, which gives free Wi-Fi to all its visitors.
How much will it cost?
Oh, the Wi-Fi is free. Oh, sorry, you mean the courses. Oh, it's also free for students.
Great. I'll see you on Thursday then.
Sure, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mashallah, very good. Perfect. Yeah, tell me. Any questions?
How was our conversation?
Mashallah, very good. It was flowing.
Ya Allah.
Yeah.
Ya
Can you
Allah.
hear me? You thought? You
Yes,
can hear
yes.
okay? Mashallah,
Yeah.
very good. Very
Yeah.
no, it was very good. Mashallah, very good.
Inshallah. Inshallah, day by day, we will
Day
become
by
better.
day, for sure, you will become better.
Inshallah.
You see here, I'll. You understand? I'll means I will.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
You can't say I will. You can't say I shall.
I shall.
You can. You can say yeah.
So sorry, teacher. What's the difference
Yeah.
between I will, I shall? It's
I
both
shall,
for the
it's-
future. It's both for the future.
Both for the future. I shall is like I will is like بالتأكيد. I will. It's like I will see you.
I shall with
بالضبط.
certainty.
Inshallah. Yeah, certainty. And I shall is like little bit uncertain. So you might say I shall, inshallah, but but nowadays everybody says I'll, I will, or I'll. This is normal now. That's okay. You understand here? That's okay. Is okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
This apostrophe is for to shorten or to combine two words. Internet cafe. Where are we? You need good internet. One thing here. You see here a good internet connection. يعني النت قوي أو اتصال بالإنترنت قوي. So just note, you can say you will need good internet connection, or you will need a good internet connection. Both are okay. You see, this is okay. This is okay. Both are fine.
Okay.
For the
It's
internet,
probably-
you say internet or internet?
In England, they say internet. I think American is more internet, something like this.
Okay.
But in England, they say internet. Or you might say good web connection. You might say this. You see, but internet is better because they use internet in colleges and other places, or they use Wi-Fi. See?
Sorry, teacher. I have
Please,
a
you
question.
go ahead. Sure.
Yeah. IT. What's the meaning of IT? Does it mean internet technology? IT?
Yes, it means internet technology. But it's used for many things now. It's used for your qualification. It's used for the technology. It's like an umbrella category, like a very wide category. People don't usually say they don't usually say this. They just say IT.
IT.
See?
Yeah. Exactly.
Yes. Actually, there are rules for will and shall. Maybe what I will do next time, or maybe I'll write them for you in one sheet and put them in the group. I will, I shall. There are rules, actually. There are old English rules. It's like, I have to write them out for you. And then you can see, some pronouns use will, some use shall.
Inshallah.
I think, as I remember, it's we shall and I shall, and other ones are will. But I will check and I will give you them. I'll write them for you. Everything else, running courses. Clear, inshallah. Anyone else want to do the role play? We have 10 minutes, 15 minutes, inshallah. في أحد يريد يكمل؟
Was there
عباس
any mistake in pronunciation or the accent? Should we?
No, no, because you have French accent, so it's
Yeah, okay.
it's fine. So it's well known in England. Mashallah, it's good. It's very good. I wish I could speak French.
Yes, I speak French.
Maybe you should.
I have a French accent.
Yeah, you have French accent. You're from Morocco, right?
Yes,
from
yes,
Morocco.
I am.
So maybe Dr. Ibtisam can learn us French language.
Yes, maybe she can teach us French. Why not?
Yes, but English is useful.
You know,
French,
yes,
yeah.
True.
I know some words in French. Like Doria Pania de quoi, de manière de si que j'ai de la chance, ça va venir. Some words, no more.
Wow, amazing.
I don't know if was this words right or not. I learned it from some friend who was studying French.
Oh, dangerous! You don't know what he told you. Maybe it's wrong. Yeah, maybe it's wrong French. Okay, one other thing just to mention, some words in English, you don't give them plural. So, for example, if connection, you can't have plural for this, connections. But when you say connections, this means alaqat. You see? So when you say connection, this is like ittisal or internet connection means net. It means net. You get the idea. So if you make this plural, it usually has different meaning. What else? This one, everyone. This is plural. Jama, sighat al-jama. It's clear, right? Everyone. It's like saying lil kul, al kul. For everyone. Okay. This is singular here. This is plural. What else? Come on. That's okay if you like. On-site library. Library, this is singular. If you want the plural, it's like this. Libraries. You see? Libraries. Clear, inshallah? IES. Yeah. But if you say plural on-site libraries, you don't say on-site libraries. You just say on-site libraries. Can you see? So there is tawabi' in Arabic, right? Tawabi'. You have na'at man'ud. Here, you have na'at man'ud. You have the description, the main subject, but you don't make it on-site libraries. It still stays on-site libraries. See?
Yeah.
Wi-Fi, all this visitors, plural. Single is visitor. See? It's visitors means it's like saying zuwarha or zuwarhu, visitor, or like saying duyuf or mala, like when you use something, or mustakhdimuh. So this it's for it. Lahu. It's like lahu. You get the idea? But it's visitors. Zuwaru. You got the idea? If I say it's teachers, that's asatidatu. You see? It's teachers, asatidatuhu. See? So it's visitors, zuwaruhu. It's like this. How much will it cost? This is clear. Come on. Anybody else would like to go? You want to go one more time with somebody? Is this Narjis or Ali Al-Hilfi? Anybody? One more time. One last time. Nobody?
I'm ready to restart again.
You ready? Okay, let's me and you do this one. Come on, let's do this, inshallah.
Yeah, I need someone volunteer with me.
Okay, any volunteer?
Can you hear me?
Yes, sure. Yes, please start. Bismillah. So, you want to be the trainer, Narjis?
Okay, that's cool.
So you be the trainer and
I'm the student.
You be the student, yes.
Yalla,
Deal?
Bismillah.
Okay, Allah. Tawakkal on Allah. Ready?
Yalla. Hi, IT Angels.
Hello, how can we help you today, Ali?
Do you run any courses on computer basics?
We have a course called IT for Everyone, in which we teach the every basics from how to turn on computer to how to search the internet.
How often are your classes?
Twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday evening at 8 p.m.
Are the lessons live?
Yes, so you will need a good internet connection.
That's okay. I can go to my local internet cafe.
If you like, you can use our on-site library, which gives free Wi-Fi to all the physicians.
Okay. How much will it cost?
Oh, the Wi-Fi is free. Oh, sorry. We mean the course. Oh, it's also free for students.
Great. I'll see you on Thursday then.
Sure. Bye.
Sister Narjis, this one here, visitors.
Yeah.
Visitors.
Visitors.
What else? Otherwise, mashallah, well done. Very good. Just listen to the recording again, and inshallah, it's good practice for you.
Well, teacher, I think. Sorry, I think it's matter of confidence. We should be confident in ourselves. It's matter of confidence. Yeah.
Actually, don't be nervous. When I was in the UK in December, there is a palace there. The Queen has a palace called Windsor Palace. Windsor. Okay, I took my daughter there, and all the people who were working there in the palace outside, they call them ushers. It's like they tell you, go this way, please, sir. Go this way, please. Enter here. Go here. This way. This is the church. All this stuff. These were all foreigners. These were all from Europe. Or somebody was speaking with Indian accent. Somebody was speaking with European accent. They were not UK. No, they were not. No, maybe they have been there for some months or 3 years or something. But they were all from Europe. So it's normal now to see people with different accents in the UK. It's normal. So don't feel shy. Even if you make a mistake, it's no big deal, no issue. No issue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even when we made some mistakes in language.
No issue. Because people will help you if they see you are trying. The good thing with English people, if they see you are trying to speak the language, they help you. They like this, actually.
Very good.
If they see you don't want to learn the language, they don't like this. You understand? If they see you're trying, they will help. In this way, they are good. They will help. They will help. They will give you free things. They will give you books. They will give you videos. They will give you courses. They
Wonderful.
want people to respect their culture. They don't really have culture now, actually, not like before, but still they feel proud. They feel they have something for the whole world. This is how they think.
Nice. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Okay, inshallah. So I will share some things on the chat, and then we can plan for the next lesson, inshallah, and then have a nice week, inshallah. Take care. Have a nice evening. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين صلى الله على محمد الطيبين الطاهرين الأئمة والمهديين وسلم تسليما كثيرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أحسنتم جميعا.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.